Assalamu alaikum. Ahmed here. Welcome to the eighth lecture of class 4 English. I'm sorry I haven't actually written the name of the chapter here. It's long stalking. The chapter name of the chapter is long stalking, and kindly just go through the chapter before solving verse meaning and learning dictation actually, and look for these words actually, considering, remarkable, sure, unusual, widest, silence, wicked, courage, and politely. Now for the words meaning, these will be solved on your notebook. The first one is strange. It means odd. Wondering means surprising, and freckles means small dark patches on skin. And realized means understood, and courage means bravery. Now open your neat notebooks, prepare them accordingly, and read the chapter first. Okay, long stalking, because we have to solve its exercises too, so it will be much more difficult later for you guys. So read the chapter long stalking, and then mark the words for dictation, learn them, and write the words meaning on your neat notebook. Prepare pages accordingly with the proper headings, dates, margin lines, and in neat handwriting. And until then, Allah Hafiz.